Now that we have this corner of the hollow block wall filled with concrete, we can continue on with the natural stone wall. We're adding a bed of our specialised concrete mortar mix to help lock the stones into the system. We're using my standard formula for this stonework. We lay the flat side of the stone to our formwork, and in this case I'm propping it up with a piece of timber, then add more concrete mix and work it in to get a really good bond. I add small gravel chips in the gap between the stone and the formwork. We place the flat side of the stone hard up against the formwork. I continue to backfill concrete and scrap concrete. This is the final course on this wall. Today we're doing a bit of rock selection at our local rock supplier. This selection of stone should work well on what's left of our wall to build. Just going to lay down the next course of block wall. I just lay the blocks out dry set.
Lay your head upon my shoulder. Shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.